Hi. So the general idea of the MusicVault has started from that whatever data user posts on TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, it goes to the big company's database, and then they process this data and they sell the user's data to like marketing companies and all that. And in the end, users they don't get any kind of benefit. So the MusicVault has like two main features. The first of all is like permanent music library, and we don't actually store any kind of a music data, but metadata such as name or genre, the years of release, something like that. And then with the user's consent, we can actually sell this user's data to the marketing companies, and then whenever they make a benefit, we can kind of retrieve some benefit and give it to the original user who provided this the personal data. And this is how it works. Build a library and then grant consent, giving to the third party, which is like marketing companies, or it can be actually any kind of companies. And then whenever they make a revenue, we return to the user. And actually, this is not only about the music. I choose music because it's simple, but in case of a Pubky app, I think we can use this for the post, because a post can be anything, and this contains users' personal interest. So we can use like AI and understand users' taste, and with user's consent, we can share this data to third party, and then get the benefit and the mission. So that's the idea. In my local branch, I built this UI in the experiment section, and as you can see, I already added some like music that I like. This goes to home server. For example, let's say do that, then like add it to item. Then I also add this item to the home server. And then here is the part the user can give a consent. Like allow buyer app sharing, and then we can think about also adding some kind of recommendations, but this is beyond my application, beyond my project. But basically, user can give agreement that okay, you can share my data to third party. So this is like very simple like app that you can retrieve this data from our home server. So we can know that okay, this is the ID, and then we can see that this user has interest in this kind of a music, the other user has this kind of interest, and this is an adult project, but I find it is useful. It's my staging home server data, and as you can see, there is a music library, and it contains it proves that the data goes to home server. And as I said earlier, I don't store any kind of music data, but the metadata. You see the album, artist, genre, ratings, years, etc. the limitation is actually that it's just still really hard to track how the data is used. For example, if someone else retrieve this data and then used somewhere else and then they make any kind of profit, unless they report to us, we don't know actually how did they make a profit, how much actually they make a profit, something like that. So this is I find this is really challenging, and nowadays still people are using like link. They actually add some parameters in the link, and then when user clicks, then you count the user actually clicked this link, therefore like maybe user has interest in this kind of thing. I don't know how to say that, but this is really hard to track. So probably I need more like a brainstorming to find a clear way to track that the third party apps consume and then made a profit by using this kind of consent data. So as of now, I don't have any progress, and until I find a clear solution to track the usage of data, this is the current state. So that's it. Thanks.